What up, y'all? So you see I got my new spoiler, just came in today from Spoiler Kings, but when I opened it, for one it's rubber, and I opened it and it's just super flimsy, and immediately I was I'm not gonna say highly, but I was a little bit disappointed. But once I actually got it and started putting it on, this thing is perfect. It's like I said, it's rubbery, so you can use it to make this whole curve going along here with no problem, because it, it bends and all of that. The color is just basic flat black or whatever, but it's I like it. Like this, like the whole curve coming at this angle, like that's nice. I like that. It still got that little Duckbill feel on this side. So I've been looking at a lot of spoilers for this car since I got it, and I hadn't seen not one that I like actually care for enough to get. But I saw this one, I was like, let me give it a try, because this was the best looking one I could find that fit the look that I was wanting, and I think it delivers. It comes with 2 layers of 3M, well, 2 rows of 3M from edge to edge. All you gotta do is measure it up where you want it, stick one side down, peel the rest of the 3M, and just position it as you go. And once it's on there, like it seems like it's on there pretty good. And I was gonna paint it, and then once I felt how flimsy and stuff it was, I didn't feel like dealing with the whole flex paint and all of that, and trying to hold it still so the paint won't crack or whatever, and wave up once it starts bending. So I just left it that same flat black or whatever, so which still matches all of this back here that I dipped last year. So I'm satisfied with it. I like it. And you see I took the gold off the wheels yesterday, put the glass top back on. So just some small stuff. I'm thinking once I get back in town, I'll probably wrap this piece all black when I have a little bit more time to work. So most likely that'll be black. For the time being, I'll probably redo the rims or something, because the gold was getting old. It was starting to fade. It was really just some cheap gold vinyl I had laying around for something completely different, and it just so happened to be enough to do the wheels. So I'll probably get some higher quality vinyl and rewrap those a little bit later. But as for the spoiler, I am done and good to go, and I like it. So shout out to Spoiler Kings, man. I'll put a link in the bottom so you can see what it actually is and where it's coming from and all of that, and just so you can get an idea of what it's looking like, because I hadn't seen any pictures of anybody with this particular spoiler yet. I hadn't seen any videos on it. So hopefully, if you're looking for one and none of the other ones are matching exactly what you felt like you wanted, hopefully this will be some insight to help you out. But I guess that's it for this video, and stay tuned for what's next.